Good afternoon, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. Please smash that like button and please smash that subscribe button. I have got another unboxing. It is another watch, and this is a watch from one of my favourite, get this out, favourite homage watch suppliers. I think, oh, already opened it. This must be a spare strap. This is a NATO strap. I do not wear NATO bands whatsoever. I absolutely hate them, unfortunately. Let's have a look at this. Wowzers. Wow, that looks pretty beautiful. I wanted this watch to compare against the Fluctuations. That actually looks really nice. It does say it's 200 meter, but I think really it's only 100, if that. Interesting. Them links are definitely fatter than on the Fluctuations. They do look a little bit too fat, if I'm totally honest with you. But sapphire crystal, I'll just go through the specs. This is 42mm nominal, 20mm band, ceramic bezel, obviously all black model. It does have, I believe that it does have the wave pattern. I believe that is ceramic. Maybe they've not made it with ceramic, but does have the wave pattern on the dial. This is obviously a homage to the Seamaster Omega 300M diver, which is around £4.5 grand new, the real one, the one it's homaged from. This is obviously a homage. They've chosen to put very fat links on it. That may be a problem, we'll find out. This is the Fluctuations one that I'm going to be comparing it to. Now this actually has, this Fluctuations one has GMT functionality, but can you see that there? Can you see how much fatter the Pagani ones are? And that might be a problem, but I'm hoping that the bracelets are interchangeable. I'm hoping, because they're both 20mm, so-called. So we'll find out. If you notice, they both have the 5-link, or depending on who you ask, 9-link bracelet. This is one of my favourite bracelets now that I've worn it. It is unbelievably comfortable. Now, on the Pagani, you do get some micro adjust slots. You get some nice big fat swing arms, and you get the micro adjust slots. So I'll just put it on my wrist now, even though it's not been sized up, obviously. Feels okay. Feels okay. Because I've been wearing the GMT version on this, it does feel pretty good actually. Because I've been wearing the GMT version so much recently, I'm used to that other the GMT hand. And in all honesty, I would prefer it, not that this was GMT, now don't get me wrong, that would be nice, but I'd prefer it if they had red markings like the real Seamaster. They've chosen not to do that, I don't know why. And also, on the Fluctuations, you have got real screws there. You've got screws either side with a pin inside. But on this one, it is just a pin and, I believe, I don't know if it's a pin and collar system, we'll find out. If you go online and check other reviews of it, maybe they'll show you. I think this is just a pin system. So yeah, but that feels actually really good. It feels very, very similar to the GMT. Obviously this is slightly bigger at 42mm, but feels fine really so far. They're both quite thick watches. They're both 14mm thick, but you should get, see, look at that. Yeah, the domed sapphire. I don't know if you can see that, sorry. The domed sapphire is about 0.5 mil thick. Quite a big dome. Much bigger than on the Fluctuations. So yeah, so interesting. So it's going to be interesting how this feels on the wrist and compared, being 42mm nominal. But I'll get it all. One thing that I've just noticed is the hands are both have the kind of sword ends. They don't have one with a circular like the real Omega and like this one. But again, it doesn't matter. We'll get it sized up and we'll get it reviewed. Okay, it's been Dave. Thanks for checking my reviews out. Thanks for checking my unboxings out. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Nice one.